Magandang araw. Okay, so karon magluto ko sa lumpia. Naprito na. Mantika. What's the matter? Miss Cranky Pants. So, Bisaya 101. Ang tawag sa lumpia. English. Spring roll. Ang tawag sa Bisaya, Tagalog, lumpia. Good job. Lumpia, spring roll. Anong tawag sa golden brown? Bulawan brown. O bulawan itong. So, kansa. Nahadlok ko. Ay, yes, grabe. Oh, nindot. Ay, aray. Yes, grabe. Nahadlok ko sa putok-putok. I love money. I love money. Got a bag of potatoes. Got onions. There we go. Bok choy. Corn. Even though this is white corn, it's still gonna taste great. Paper towel. Duha sa gatas. Isang baka sa steak. Toothpaste. We got two cheeses. Heritage eggs. Usually come in different colors, but these ones are totally bluish color. Nabutang sa tubig sa kuang kaldero. We're gonna cook. I'm gonna clean all of this up. Dito ang lamb, oh. Nindot. Murag laki. Gamay ang tambok. So, ginagamit ko sa lamb at baka. So yeah, so iyang nanay, nagpalit siya sa kambing. But iyang nanay, sa tatay, ang lola, dili na gusto siya sa kambing. He gave it to us. And now I'm making bulalo. This will have potatoes in there because I need more vegetables. You know what I'm saying? What sucks is that I don't have pechay. I have corn and bok choy, but I mean I could have used Swiss chard, but that's okay. As y'all seen in my last video, my Swiss chard isn't exactly full grown yet. I'm gonna prep my vegetables and whatnot, get them ready in a bowl so that way it's ready to just plunk into the pot. Karon, niloto ko sa bulalo. Haven't had it in a very long time also, and it's really good considering that it's about to rain again. Damn, like this weather though, it's got me effed up all over the place. But anyway, besides all that, I'm gonna make my rice. Sobrang importante sa bukas, so we have to cook rice. Oh my god, I love rice. This is jasmine rice na ginagamit ko sa potatoes. These are Yukons. done. People don't know this, but if you have like leftover potato skins, you can literally turn these into potato chips if you wash them good enough, and you can literally season them and then put it in the oven. So yeah, you guys, you know how the convenience store sells like potato skin chips? Well, you can. Should I discard these? You don't have to, but if you clean them up really nice and well, you can put it in the oven for 325, or you could deep fry it and turn them into chips, which in this case, I'm going to save these potato skins because it can also be great as a snack. Times that you need. Alright. Hold on, let me just get my gloves here. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna add peppercorn. So, Gamayra. Oh, that's it. Asin. Sobrang humot. Did you think this was a candy? Okay, I'm gonna continue cutting up my vegetables. There's this other brand that I will look online for you. And I can just honestly say it's one of the best wrapper ever. And I think every Asian knows about this wrapper. But you know, they don't sell it here, so. I am going to put my potatoes in first because potatoes are, well, it's more danced and it takes longer to cook in the pot. And then afterwards, my cabbage, and then the corn, and then the bok choy. Tambok. So, sang grabe. Isunong sa akwang kamot. So, sang ganda. Dagan sa akwang vegetables, oh. And here's my mice. Corn. Oh, I did it. Oh, shit, dude. Okay, that corn pissed me off. I just made a huge fat mess. Anyway, here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar so that way gaminess of the freaking lamb doesn't overpower the soup. Okay, because a lot of people don't like the strong taste of hoof. You know what I'm saying? So a little vinegar, a little splash will take garbage all the time. And turn the spigot. Okay, everybody, nabalik ko. Tawanan. Oi. Did you get scared? Okay, put all the veggies in here now. All of that, this in there. Got boy. Potato. Oh. Daghan ng ginagamit sa vegetables. It wouldn't be a bulalo. Sobrang ganda. So, 2.5 hours if possible. The meat is already super cooked. So we're gonna give it 2.5 hours. Balik. It may look like the vegetables are overcooked, but I really like it like that, and also my kids, because they won't eat something that's somewhat semi-crisp. You know what I'm saying? Bukas. This is how we eat it. But you can have the rice on the side and have the bulalo just like soup. But We like to put the rice in the soup. Sabaw is very important. And we like to make sure that we have a lot. Now it's like a porridge. Ah?
I see you sticking your little tongue out.
Noelle is asleep, and so she already took her bath. Jeremy took his bath already, but it's easier to bathe them both at once because there would be a whole lot of waiting going on, you know, like getting the water right, blah blah blah. And Jeremy's really finicky with the water, so and now he's just eating his bulalo.